This video is to show you how to do word problems using the Pythagorean Theorem. And this problem, as you read the word problems, I would underline the key things that you need to set up your the Pythagorean Theorem to solve this. So the length of the shadow of the building is 10 meters. The distance to the tip of the shadow to the top of the building is 23 meters. And I want you to find the height of the building to the nearest tenth place. So again, just draw kind of like, this is like a building. Let's put like a couple windows in here, and here's a door. So here's my building. And they're saying that the length of the shadow from the building is 10 meters. So I'm just going to draw a straight line. I'm going to label this 10 meters. And then from the tip of the building to the tip of the shadow, it says that it is 23 meters. And they want to know how tall is this building. So this is my unknown. I'm just going to say it's b. Remember, these two sides make a right angle, and they're also known as the legs. And then this long side here across the right angle, this is the hypotenuse. So if you remember from last week, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a is a leg, b is a leg, and c is the hypotenuse, always the longest side, and it's always across from the right angle squared. So then if I go ahead and solve this, I would go ahead and put in 10 for one of my legs. I don't know what the b is, squared equals my hypotenuse squared. So if I do the math, 10 squared is 100, and then 23 squared is 529. So I just have to backtrack. To get the b by itself, I have to subtract 100 on both sides. So b squared equals 429, and the opposite of squaring is the square root. Now, when I square root 429, I'm going to get about 20.7. So the answer to the height of this building is going to be 20.7 meters in height. Now my second example is this time a ladder is leaning against the side of the barn, so I'm probably going to paint it or something. So I'm just going to draw a quick barn here. And then here's a ladder that is leaned against it. Now, it could be at any part of the barn that's leaning against it, so maybe this is the roof or something, maybe there's something on the side. And then if I read the question, it says the top of the ladder is 12 feet from the ground. So from here to here is 12 feet. And then it says the bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the barn. So from here to here would be 5 feet. And then we don't know how long this ladder is. So again, here's my right angle. So I know my two legs. So I'm going to go 5 squared plus 12 squared equals, we don't know how long the ladder is. That would be my c squared in this case. So 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. 25 plus 144 is 169. So then the opposite of squaring is to square root. And when I square root 169, I get 13. So this ladder is 13 feet long.